Greetings, Chocoholics. Welcome back to Aroma Chocolates. I am coming to you from my home kitchen, upstairs in my house. Not in my basement chocolate kitchen, because today I'm recording a video for a chocolate cake recipe for my Aroma Chocolates Recipe Club. And I don't have an oven down in my kitchen downstairs, in my chocolate kitchen. So I have to do this all up here. So the reason why I am recording this video up here and why I'm putting out this little video is to show you this product here. This is a flower funnel from Cookie Countess. I saw this online a little while ago and thought this was really cool. Yeah, it kind of looks like something you'd be using in in the hospital, you know, if you can't get out of bed and need to go to the bathroom. But that's not what this is. This is a flower funnel. And this attaches to your stand mixer right here at the attachment port. So you just loosen up the screw here and this slides right in just like that. And then you tighten it down. And then you lower your mixer into place, lock it down, and you're ready to go. And this clears the mixer just fine. It's not going to get in the way. You can use this for wet or dry ingredients. I saw this thing online. Somebody else was showing it, and I thought this was really awesome. I got one for myself. I got one for my parents, and they use it all the time. We use it all the time. I am not being paid by Cookie Countess to make this video. Not one penny. I think this is a great product. The only reason why I'm showing this to you is because I think you should have one too. Now, if you want to get my chocolate cake recipe that I'm doing a video for today up here in this kitchen, then you need to join the Aroma Chocolates Recipe Club now, because this cake recipe comes out in September. And this is a recipe that I have kept as a family secret for a couple decades now. And I've not shared it with anybody until now. It's been a hard decision for me to make this recipe available to everyone. And so I'm doing it now. And if you want this chocolate cake recipe, you need to act fast, because once it's out, you miss it. This is a very awesome chocolate cake recipe. It's dark, it's moist, it's chocolatey. It is the best chocolate cake you will ever have. And anybody that has this chocolate cake wants the recipe and will want the recipe from you. So if you have not signed up yet, sign up today. And if you want this flower funnel, I'm going to put a link to Amazon where you can get it from Amazon down below here. But yeah, you're going to want to get this flower funnel. And you're going to want to sign up for the Aroma Chocolates Recipe Club. Do it today. That's it for now, folks. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a sweet day.